Hi everyone, this is Johnny here, so welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be unboxing a new wireless earphones. So we've from QCY called the ArcBuds. So some unique features about the ArcBuds. So you can see here it says that it has a 40 decibel mixed ANC feature. It has 4 noise cancelling modes. At the back, battery for the earbuds can last up to 8 hours. Let's get into it. Pull out, there's a grey box here, put it out, and you will be presented with this type of presentation. Over here, you will see that at the top, you actually see the earbuds itself. Take them out. In the middle will be the casing itself, the charging case, in like an off-white translucent wrapper. At the bottom, there's a hole here. Put it, and it will open straight away. There are a couple of things inside. So the first one you will see is actually the user manual, which comes in 2 languages. One is Mandarin, the other one is English. Next, there are other more items. You actually have the charging cable, which is the USB-A to USB-C, also in white color. Lastly, additional silicone seals, which are also white color, but they're like a translucent type. Let's put it all inside, and we go into the main thing here. Let's rip open this plastic wrapper, which holds the charging case inside, and you put it out. First thing you'll be presented is actually this oval shape off-white matte finishing casing. So at the top, QCY logo. At the front, probably this is the power indicator. At the bottom, nothing. And then when you turn around, go to the back, you actually see the USB-C charging port. Okay, open up the lid, and the earphones are here. Let's remove. There's a sticker at the bottom, so do remove it. And this is for the right. Okay, let's take a closer look at the earbuds themselves. Same color treatment as the casing itself. Off-white matte finishing. Very simple. The ergonomics makes it very easy to hold in the hands. Right, let's put them into the case and see what happens. So the red light on the casing just came up. Okay, let's take out the earphones, and then I'm going to try them on just to try them for size and fit. And because the earbuds itself there is actually quite thick, you can see here. It's quite tall. So I can actually feel its presence in my ear. Though there's actually no stem, which means there's nothing sticking out the side of my ear. Let's put it back. And as with all new earphones, I would always charge them up. So with me here, I actually have a USB-C charging cable. So let's plug it the back. But before I push it all the way in, I want to focus on the front. Okay, whoa, once it's pushed in, you'll see that instantly the white LED light pops up and it starts flashing. So this is actually to indicate that it's actually charging. And then when it's fully charged, you just stay a solid white. So it says here that a solid red will refer to it as charging, but they'll turn white for 30 seconds when they're actually fully charged. I'm going to leave the earphone here to charge for about 1-2 hours, and then we'll come back a bit later and see what happens. Alright guys, so it is now fully charged for the ArcBuds. So this is what happens when the earbuds are actually fully charged. The casing, the LED light is actually solid white color. So let's continue with the rest of the test. Right, hi everyone, it's Johnny here. So in this segment of video, I'm actually going to be just showing you how to actually do the Bluetooth connection of the QCY ArcBuds with an Android phone. So what I have with me here is actually Samsung Galaxy Flip 3. First you need to do, open up the phone, go into settings, and make sure your Bluetooth is actually turned on. So what you need to do first is actually to open up the lid. Now this is actually to check if the earbuds have any like quick pairing. Let me just scan it. If it has, you actually pop up on the screen. Nope, I don't think so. So what I need to do is take out the earbuds, and instantly you'll see it showing up. QCY ArcBuds, tap on them. And you'll see a pairing request, just say pair, connecting. And it's connected. Alright. All this done. So another thing is that the good thing about the QCY ArcBud is that it also comes with app support. So you can actually go on to Play Store and you can actually install the QCY app. So I actually pre-installed it already from the Google Play Store. Just open it and you actually see here it says agree. Bring background. Allow. Okay. Finish. Alright, so if you log in, you actually say allow, say yeah, connect, allow, notification, allow, earphone charging reminder. Oh, even says your earphone hasn't been charged for a long time. Right, but you see animation come up just now, right? More settings. Okay, close. Alright, then you actually see here, left earbud, right earbud, right sound. So you can see here, these are some of the second tab on the top. You actually see the different. Now we just leave it at default. Noise cancellation, transparency, normal. You can even set the different type of environment. Right, there's even anti-noise, very, and then there's like 3 level. This is 1, 2, 3. Noisy also 1, 2, 3. Indoor 1, 2, 3. Okay, there's also sound balance if you want to, like more to the right, more to the left, or 100%. Settings. Touch, you can see here. Right, there's also a gaming mode and a sleeping mode. Not too sure if you need to wear this for sleep. Right, the earbud itself is quite thick on the side. Let's wear them and let's see how they look, they hear, sound like. Okay, skip. Right, let's see. Alright, so the audio is currently at 100%, and physically, when I'm listening with my own ears, I can actually hear the audio very loudly. But for those of you who are actually listening to this video, I'm actually using the built-in microphone on this camera here, which is actually the iPhone 12 mini. So the distance from the iPhone 12 mini to the earbud is about 30 to 40 centimeter. So do let me know if I can actually hear the audio from the earbuds very clearly down in the comment section below. So I'm gonna down it back to like 50%. Now it's actually at halfway line, and I'm gonna wear it. Ooh, the moment I wear it, I can just hear the bass and the drum as well. Okay, let me just go back a little bit more. Wow. Okay, even at 50%, the audio is quite good. Now don't forget that if I go back into the app, you will actually realize that the sound is currently on default. I'm gonna just go back into the music, continue playing. Oh, it's very nice. Okay, just on the male part. Okay, Bruno Mars audio is very nice, but let me try another track. Okay, Fifth Harmony. Nice. It's kind of like EDM type. It's nice, very nice, soothing. But let me upgrade it up to like 100%. Wow, it's really loud, but it's very balanced, and the audio is not like getting harsh. It's not getting a cracking, which is very nice. So let me down it back to 50%, and the audio at 100% on the ArcBuds. They are very well controlled, and it's very nice, even though it's on default EQ. Vocal wise, very well balanced. Like when I was at 100%, all the sounds, the different layers of the instruments, the bass, the drum, the string, etc. with the audio, with the vocals, they're all very well balanced, very well controlled. Doesn't like get very harsh or like screaming into your ear. This kind of stuff, it makes it very comfortable. It's very comfortable to hear the music even at 100%. And this is actually very surprising, considering that the ArcBud is a pretty affordable pair of wireless earbuds that's like under like $60, like $50-$60, and it's actually very surprising that things are actually so well controlled. So this is actually just to do a initial impression. Alright, the earbuds are actually very nice. On the music side, very good, very well controlled. ANC wise, when I'm just testing it, it actually completely blocks out the noise generated by my aircon unit. And the good thing is that within the app, there's multiple levels for you to control the ANC and different environment and different modes for you to actually go and try it out. Even have an anti-wind option for you. A lot of pretty good preset EQ for you to try out if you want, and you can also customize it if you want to. Yeah, but of course in the upcoming days I'll be doing more tests of the ArcBuds, so do stay tuned. My name is Johnny here. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.